Hello and Namaskar. This is Dr. Seema Jhalani from Jaipur, Rajasthan, State Joint Director, Anti-Corruption Foundation, India. I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards Mr. Sanjeev Sharma, the National President, and Shri R.S. Gupta, Rajasthan State Chief Director, Anti-Corruption Foundation, for providing me this opportunity and considering my name for this prestigious position to serve the nation. The purpose of this organization, that is Anti-Corruption Foundation, is to spread awareness among the youth, the students, the people in general, to identify and understand what is corruption all about, and to help, guide, and if required, take an action in order to eradicate this widespread evil from our country, as it is a great barrier and a great hindrance in the socio-economic development of the nation. The mission of this foundation, therefore, is not just to curb this evil of corruption among public servants, but to prevent the leakage of government revenue by taking a step forward, an action against unscrupulous public and private servants who are involved in any sort of malpractices and extortion. Team Anti-Corruption Foundation, Rajasthan, is all set and in fact has already come into force against the most prevalent of all crimes these days, that is the cyber crimes. You can approach us, seek our help and assistance if by any chance you too have become a victim of cyber fraudulence. Let me inform you that with the efforts of Team Anti-Corruption Foundation, there is now a separate counter in each and every area police station wherein you can lodge your complaints related to cybercrime. Recently, a toll-free number which is 155260 is also issued for this very purpose. Do remember this number. It's 155260. Often it happens that people struggle to make themselves heard despite the presence of the relevant laws, because eventually the powerful suppresses the powerless. So we as citizens of the country need to become more vigilant and more aware. There is definitely a need for moral enlightenment too. And Team Anti-Corruption Foundation is always there to help and support, to guide you, to make you aware and enlighten you, because it is the duty of ours and it is in the welfare of the society, the nation and mankind as a whole. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.